Employee experience is becoming more and more prevalent in the working world. Companies are beginning to recognize the importance of understanding their employees' needs and ensuring their well-being. Before we get into how you can use technology to optimize employee experience, we need to understand how to optimize EX without it. This is because your digital workplace can only go as far as your underlying company culture allows. These strategies include no meetings Fridays. Next is wellness content. Next is wellness days. Finally, you can try integrating a buddy system. We think the first and most crucial step towards organization-wide collaboration is fully integrating Microsoft Teams and using the application to its full potential. So here's how you can get the most out of it. Firstly, you can create informal Teams chats as well as creating more formal groups for a project. Secondly, make sure you integrate your Microsoft Teams app with your SharePoint-based intranet. In addition to this advice, Microsoft are introducing new enhancements to the Teams platform. The next platform we're going to talk about is SharePoint. Once your Teams is set up, you can look towards your modern workplace. Most people view SharePoint as the document management center for their organization. This is great for collaboration since Microsoft has introduced version control where you can track changes and collaborate on documents. But this isn't where the functionality of SharePoint ends. SharePoint can be used as the social hub of your company. There are many underutilized features in SharePoint that encourage collaboration and idea generation, such as the ability to award badges and praise to colleagues, the creation of individual innovation portals, online video conferences, and business process automation.
Now, the Power Platform, which hopefully you will have heard of, it is an environment, a platform for building apps and other things using low or no code. So let's go into the Power Platform in a little bit more detail. It's made up essentially of four elements, let's call them. There's Power Apps, which is the main tool for building apps for your mobile device or tablet that can also run on a desktop. There is also Power Automate. For those of you who've been around a little bit longer, this is what used to be called Microsoft Flow, essentially a workflow tool. There's also Power BI, which is a little platform for writing very attractive visual reports on your data, interactive reports. And there is Power Virtual Agents, which is a fairly new addition to it, and that is a tool for building chatbots. So you can build apps for various business processes. It can also be used to build lots of little employee experience orientated things. Well, one thing we built recently was a little mobile app for expenses. Like many organizations, we go and see our clients, we have expenses, and our staff always said life would be a lot easier if they can complete their expenses whilst they're on the train home, a customer visit, for example. And that's an ideal use case for doing it in an app. Earlier this year, Microsoft launched Viva, which is their first employee experience platform.
Viva Learning is a centralized learning hub in Microsoft Teams that lets you integrate learning and building skills into your day. Insights provides data-driven, privacy-protected insights and recommendations to improve productivity and well-being. Viva Topics is a sort of level up of virtual agents, providing access to company experts and quick or common explanations in the form of topic cards. Connections provide a curated homepage to access internal news, company events, groups and clubs, and bringing some fun and informal functions to your internal communications.